Hi guys, welcome back to another ClickForMani video. Sorry it's a bit late, but today I have something really cool to unbox. Yep, that's it, that's right. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I've got it here in the Mystic White colour and I will be unboxing it for you, as well as the Galaxy Buds Live to go with it. Okay, so this is Samsung's latest flagship, and you know what? Let's just get to it. Now, as you can see in the box, we have got it nicely packaged by Samsung. All the usual stuff. It looks great, the packaging. I like how they packaged it. First, so I'm going to get them both out first. Here's one, and here's the other. And throw the box away. And don't they look amazing, guys? These are the Buds Live and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Can't wait to unbox them for you. Okay, let's get to it. So, this is the Mystic White colour of the Note 20 Ultra. It is 5G compatible as well. And as you can see, the branding as well. It's got the white S Pen with the S20. I don't know if you can see that. I mean Note 20, sorry. And it's 5G compatible in the Mystic White colour. I got the 256GB version here. Now, let's unbox. And look at that, guys. It is a big phone. This is a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 2x capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 3200 pixels. Now, this will be running the Exynos 990, which is a global chipset variant. It has 12GB of RAM, a 12 megapixel primary camera on the rear, 10 megapixel front camera, 120Hz, which is the refresh rate, and the Infinity O display. Don't know if you can see it, but it's right there, the Infinity O display, and it is HDR10 Plus certified. Right, now time for the peeling of the plastic. So that color looks amazing. Okay. So, this is the Note 20 Ultra 5G, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of power. Let's power this on. Let's see what it's got to offer. So you go, you're greeted with the screen, which says Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, powered by Android, and in the Mystic White. Now, that camera bump is quite big, but those cameras, I've had good reviews about them, and it should be good, guys. So while it's loading, I am going to just talk a bit more about the specs. I will be taking out the S Pen here. So now I'm not going to set this up. If you want to see me set it up in another video, comment down below and I would be happy to do that. So now this S Pen, if I put this to the side, this S Pen here, as you can see I've got in the Mystic White, so I get the white S Pen here. But this S Pen has some pretty cool features. So this is Bluetooth enabled, meaning you can take selfies with it. You can use the button as a shutter button. It's got a lithium titanium battery, and it's got up to 24 hours of battery on standby time. The pen tip diameter is actually 0.7 millimeters, and it is IP68 certified. Now, I've heard some new features from Samsung about this. This has some features such as Air Actions, Air View, Live Message, Notes, Screen Off Memo, Smart Select, Screen Bright, Translate, Bixby Vision, Glance, Magnify, Pen Up, Colouring, AR Doodle, that sounds pretty cool, AR Doodle, and Calendar Writing. Now, if you want to see me try out these features in another video, comment it down below. This is just going to be an unboxing and a sort of review about it, really. Now, I'm not going to lie, that display looks amazing. Now, this is a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display, so you are going to get an amazing display on this. That's all I'm going to say. It is a big phone. It's very close to like a 7-point-inch tablet, but in my opinion, it looks amazing, and you can see it there. Now, we should probably be talking about those cameras though, because let's be honest, that's a big upgrade on the back there. So, the cameras, they can actually record up to 8K video recording at 24 FPS, 4K at 60 FPS, 1080p at 120/60 FPS, and 720 at 30 FPS. And of course, I did say before, this phone is IP68 water resistant. So the first camera we've got is ultra wide. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is going to be great when you're taking group photos together. A 108 megapixel wide angle camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. It does have 5 times optical zoom and actually up to 50 times super resolution zoom, which is less than what they had on the S20 Ultra, but it makes sense that they had to scrap it because it wasn't working as well as they thought it would be. People were complaining that what's the point of having it, it was just too much. So that's that. Now, this does have some cool modes which I'm going to talk about now. Now, this camera actually has some new modes: single take, panorama, food mode, a night mode, which is going to be great when you're taking photos in low light, a live focus on videos as well, pro video for those who want to do more with their videos, a super slow-mo, slow motion, and a hyperlapse. So that's kind of really cool, actually. I mean hyperlapse, sorry. That's kind of cool, I think, in my opinion. This phone is quite expensive. It is on the pricey point, I'm not gonna lie. But I do think it's worth it. I'm not gonna lie. Just look at that display. It is big, guys. I would get a case if you are thinking of getting this to protect it, because look at that. It is beautiful, guys. Now, of course, at the bottom here, the S Pen has actually changed to from the right hand side to the left hand side, which is pretty weird, but I think you'll get used to it. No headphone jack that I can see on here. It has got a USB Type-C, mono speakers, I think, if I'm correct. Yep. SIM card tray at the top there, and that's basically it. Right, now I should have done this before. Let's just have a look at what's in the box. So in the box, it's mainly the normal stuff you get with Samsung. The Samsung card, not sure what this is. Okay, it's got the white plug because I got the Mystic White. So if I just take this out, it's got this power adapter, which is super fast charging. So I think that's gonna be amazing when charging. It's gonna charge really quickly. I don't know if how fast it charges. I will have to be talking about another video. We have got the power cable, which is in here. And some AKG headphones, because I had a lot of people saying they didn't get headphones with theirs, but with mine I seem to have got them, and they're braided, guys. Look at the quality of those. Right, that's that. I'm going to put that to the side. I will be setting this up in a later video, but guys, look at that camera. Of course, as I said, get a case for this. Guys, it's a great phone. If you are thinking of switching to Samsung, because I had an iPhone, guys, and I think it's worth the switch. Think about it, guys. And guys, I do a lot of entertainment content on my channel. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you thought of it, and whether you're going to be picking up one of these phones, maybe next week, whatever, actually. And subscribe if you want to. Check the channel out. I do a lot of fun videos on there. A lot of videos that are for anyone, really. So yeah, that's basically it. That is the Note 20 Ultra 5G. And guys, I just got to say, the packaging looks amazing. Now, I'm sorry that this video wasn't really edited that much. Sorry about that. Again, I'm not a professional tech YouTuber. So if you want to check out some specs on it, I did talk about some, but very briefly. And if you want to see like some camera samples from this, video samples, I'd be up for that. Comment down below. Don't know how it would work, but I'll get back to you on that one. Okay. Guys, I'm really sorry, but I actually did forget about the Buds Live. I don't know what happened there. These I've got in the bronze color here, by Samsung, obviously. And let's have a look at what's inside. But first, I've got to take off that seal, and then we can get into it. So I'm just gonna pause it here, and while I'm doing that, talk among yourselves. Okay, so I finally got it open. Let's get to it. And bam, nothing there. Good. Right, manual, which You know, you can read if you want to. I don't really think you're going to need to read this, but I'll just show you what's inside here. Well, I think it's a manual. It's very... Oh, yeah, it's just a manual. It's a very... Oh, okay. So I like the booklet they give you. Quick start guide. That's kind of nice. So you can have a look at that. Sorry about the rain again. And your warranty card that you get with it. That's that. Put that to the side. But really, I think we're all interested in these buds here. I've got these in the Mystic Bronze colour, which look very cool in my opinion. But they do look a little rose goldy, so if you want to go for all the buds, maybe get a different colour. The only thing is that if you pre-order this, you are not going to get the matching colour with it. So we've got the white one here, we had to get the bronze ones because, I don't know why, Samsung want you to have the bronze buds with the white phone. So that's easy, that just comes off like that. And wow, okay, I can't lie, I don't know if they look big in this camera, but they certainly don't look big in real life. Look how small they are, like, whoa. And I think I've got to tell you, it also has wireless power share, the phone, so you can charge these on the back of your phone. Oh my goodness, look at the colour. They are very shiny, I can't lie, a bit too shiny I think in my opinion. But look at that. I don't think I've ever seen any earbuds that are this shiny. Right. There they are. They've got a very weird design to them, I can't lie. Very weird. Very, very weird design. And they go in very weirdly as well. That's that. And you know the charging, they've got the indicator there. So that's cool. I can't lie, they actually look good. I will be trying them, so I'll tell you my next video how they are. I don't know what these are. Oh, okay, of course, yeah, the power cable. And you've got, I don't know if you can see that there. You've got some more ear tips, if they don't fit your ears, and a cable, which is nice to include. So that's that. I'm going to put that back in now, and that's basically it. Don't really know what to say about the buds. The buds, they've got excellent sound quality. I know I've seen people call them beans because they do look like beans, I can't lie, but look. If you are someone who's interested in getting some new buds, I would pick these up. I don't know the retail price, I can't remember it, but I will put it down in the description down below. But look, they are very weird, look, because they don't actually go in your ear well, they do fit in your ear perfectly, but that colour. Like, are you seeing this, guys? Look at the colour. It is a weird colour, I can't lie. It's called Mystic Bronze. Sorry about the camera shaking again. I quite like it, actually. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And comment down below what you thought of the buds, and if you're picking them up, as well as the phone as well. And I'll see you next time with another video. And, well, that's it really. Bye!